whether you are a busy professional or a dedicated housewife. This video is certainly going to help you adapt a fit and healthy lifestyle. As in today's busy world, health and fitness have become the cornerstone of a balanced lifestyle. We all need to have a healthy, balanced life, avoiding diseases like diabetes for a better life. A recent British Journal of Nutrition study revealed a decrease in type 2 diabetes risk for those following the Mediterranean diet. While there are myriad diet options available, few compare to the Mediterranean diet. Promoting healthy eating, reducing blood sugar, and assisting in weight loss. It's a complete health and fitness package. So, let's discover the Mediterranean diet. Exploring its health benefits, specifically towards blood sugar control, and how it helps in weight loss transformation. Followed by some easy-to-adapt Mediterranean diet breakfast recipes to begin with. So, the Mediterranean diet hails from the eating habits of people living in the Mediterranean region. It predominantly features fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and heart-healthy fats like olive oil. Fish and poultry are enjoyed in moderation, while red meats and sweets are limited. A study by the American Heart Association underlined the benefits of this diet. It pointed to decreased risks of heart diseases and improved overall health. Now the critical thing, the blood sugar connection. How Mediterranean diet helps reduce the blood sugar. A recent British Journal of Nutrition study revealed a decrease in type 2 diabetes risk for those following the Mediterranean diet. High fiber content, low glycemic index foods, and healthy fats play a significant role in blood sugar regulation. Adapting to the Mediterranean diet could really help you control the blood sugar levels. Now, let's see how Mediterranean diet helps in weight loss. Talking about weight loss, turn to the Mediterranean diet for long-term results. The New England Journal of Medicine corroborates this, pointing to significant weight loss results in individuals following the Mediterranean diet. The high fiber content from whole grains and fruits helps keep you satiated, preventing overeating. Healthy fats from olive oil and fish aid in burning calories, promoting weight loss. So, how to shift to the Mediterranean diet? The wise approach is not to rush into things. Let's just start with incorporating the Mediterranean-style breakfast into your diet. Gradually followed by adapting to the entire full-day meal plan. Some easy-to-adapt Mediterranean breakfast options are the Mediterranean omelette. Then, we have the Greek yogurt with honey and nuts. Or, try the beloved avocado and tomato toast. All these are classic Mediterranean-inspired breakfast meals, nutritious and quick to make. Which one of these breakfast recipes would you try? Do tell in the comments. And join the community reaping the benefits of Mediterranean diet results. Remember, these are general recommendations. Do consult your physician before making any move. Subscribe to Shape Squad for more great health and fitness related stuff. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button with the Mediterranean power. Our next video will certainly make you say, wow! Catch us if you can.